Welcome back to HAPLAST. Today, I'll introduce you to the production process of large plastic bags. These bags are made using advanced film blowing machines, ensuring uniform thickness and stable quality. After production, the bags undergo a rigorous testing process in our lab, using state-of-the-art equipment to assess product quality. A QC staff member cuts samples from the large plastic bag, preparing smaller test pieces for further analysis. The samples are then placed into a die-cutting machine, ensuring standardized shapes before tensile strength testing. Next, we measure the thickness of the samples using a precision micrometer, ensuring absolute accuracy in every test. The sample is then mounted onto the tensile testing machine, a crucial step to evaluate the bag's strength and stretchability. The tensile machine begins its test, pulling the plastic film until it breaks. The results help determine the durability and quality of the product. The collected data is displayed on the computer system, allowing our technical team to analyze results and make production adjustments if necessary. At HAPLAST, every product undergoes strict testing before reaching customers, ensuring superior quality and compliance with the highest industry standard.